Before Bitcoin. Before banks. Before paper money. People used to trade cows for bread, shoes for salt, time for food. And believe it or not, that system completely broke down. What came next changed human history forever. And understanding it will change how you see Bitcoin forever. Most people buy Bitcoin without knowing what it actually is or why it was created. They just see the price going up and they jump in. Then when the price drops, they panic and sell. Why? Because they don't understand the foundation. And without the foundation, every market move will scare you. Let's go back to the beginning. Thousands of years ago, people used the barter system. You had something I needed. I had something you needed. We swapped. Simple. But the problem was, what if I needed your rice but you didn't need anything I had? The deal couldn't happen. So humans invented commodity money. Things everyone agreed had value. Gold, silver, salt, shells. These became the first form of money. Then came coins. Governments started minting metal coins with official stamps. Now trade became easier. Everyone trusted the coin because the government backed it. Then paper money arrived. Instead of carrying heavy gold everywhere, you carried a paper note that represented gold in a vault somewhere. This worked for centuries. But then something dangerous happened. Governments started printing more paper money than they had gold to back it. In 1971, the United States officially removed the gold backing completely. From that moment, money became just paper. Valuable only because the government said so. Fast forward to 2008. The global financial system collapsed. Banks had been gambling with people's money. Millions of people lost their homes, their savings, their jobs. And the governments, they printed trillions of new dollars to bail out the same banks that caused the problem. Regular people suffered. Bankers got rescued. In October 2008, 1 month after the crash, a mysterious person or group using the name Satoshi Nakamoto published a document. 9 pages. It was called the Bitcoin White Paper. It described a new kind of money. Digital. Decentralized. No banks. No governments, no middlemen, just people sending value directly to each other through a secure network. In January 2009, Bitcoin was launched. The very first block ever mined had a hidden message inside it. It read, "The Times, January 3, 2009, Chancellor on brink of second bailout for banks." Satoshi was sending a message. Bitcoin was built as a direct response to a broken financial system. Think of it this way. Imagine the whole world is using one water company. That company controls your water. They can cut it off. They can charge you anything. They can waste it. You have no choice. Now imagine a new system where water flows freely through pipes that everyone shares and nobody controls. That is Bitcoin. Nobody owns it. Nobody can shut it off. Nobody can print more of it. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoin. Ever. So here is what you just learned. Money started as barter. Then became gold and silver. Then paper backed by gold. Then paper backed by nothing. Then in 2008, after the biggest financial crisis in modern history, Bitcoin was born. Created to give financial freedom back to regular people. That is not just history. That is the reason Bitcoin still matters today. Now you know where money came from and why Bitcoin exists. In the next video we go deeper, we cover blockchain. The technology that makes Bitcoin and all of crypto actually work. You do not want to miss it. Subscribe right now so you never miss a class. And drop a comment below. Did you know any of this history before today? Let me know. See you in the next lesson.